Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I'm finally sharing the process of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing our garage. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know in our old house I made the entire garage a playroom for the kids, but now with a larger 3-car garage, I'm going to make one section for their play and the rest is going to be like cleaning supplies and regular random garage storage things. But most importantly, I need a place to park my car. In this wardrobe, we used to have an abundance of sensory play, crafts, and stationery for the kids. It worked out really well during COVID, but we don't use it as much anymore. Starting off with some music, like I always do with one of my favorite songs, I'm going to clear off this cubicle. As you can see, I have done some minimal organizing here. While we had COVID for 2 weeks and the kids were home, I just quickly put this together for them. I didn't feel too sick during COVID, just like maybe a day or two, and the kids were fine after like a day or two also. So the rest of the time they were just bored. So I did this quickly. I put down the foam tiles, I put some of their toys out there, but since Christmas, I haven't organized any of their toys out here. So I'm gonna do that today.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, there are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights.
I did purchase some more of these storage baskets from Target. You guys know I have a ton of these and I reuse them all the time, but we did need a few more. I didn't want to buy too much for the garage and I really didn't, besides these and 2 big storage bins that you'll see later in the video, and also the foam tiles. This is the cubicle that I used to have in my old room at the old house with the same baskets that I used to store my linen in, but I think a few of them broke along the way, so I have some mismatched ones, but I think it turned out pretty cute at the end.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, there are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
I did also purchase a different style that's larger and wider for bigger toys at the bottom. So now I'm just putting the baskets in first with nothing in them so I can see how it's going to look and what's going to be more functional for the kids.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, there are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. How we want.
These are the mixed matched ones that I was talking about. These came from my office. I kind of like the way that this looks right now, so I'm just gonna go grab the toys and start filling things in. And if you didn't know, surprise, my entertainment center is full of toys. I'm so glad to finally be getting the toys out of the house. This organization setup with the toys worked for a while, but it's just not functional. The kids can't find what they're looking for because there's so much stuff in there. So I'm glad that I can finally put it in the garage and organize it nicely so they can see what they have. I just cleared the way a little bit so I can get to sorting, which is my favorite part. I know some people find this overwhelming, but I find it relaxing. It's also really hot in the garage and it was raining on this day, so I couldn't open it up. I'm surprised the lighting still looks pretty good. But yeah, I had to go grab my fan, my little Dyson. I love it. She lives out here now because it gets so hot in the garage. But I am looking into getting like a portable AC unit so the kids can play out here comfortably during the summer. I love this Dyson air purifier. Not only does it purify the air, but when it was super cold a couple of months ago, it can warm up the entire garage. The clip of me organizing that last bit of toys is non-existent because my camera died and I had no idea. I'm just putting some of the baskets back and then I'm going to run into the kids' room and grab their basket of stuffed animals. They actually have even more than that, but I'm going to try to make them fit in these two big baskets.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly.
At this point in the video, I had just gotten back from picking the kids up from school and it was raining, so that's why there's water droplets all over my back. This baking soda, I'm not sure who spilled it. One of the kids did, but I guess we'll never know. They tried to cover it up with paper towel, like that was gonna do something. You guys saw how nicely I organized all of my backup cleaning supplies on that shelf. To them, I guess it looks like a store, so they just get their little grocery carts and go over there and go shopping. But I had to talk with them and let them know it's not safe for them to touch that stuff or play with it. Luckily, it was just baking soda. I made sure to wipe down their grocery store really well so I can start stocking their food and grocery items back on it. I love doing this. It's actually fun for me and they love seeing it all set up. Like my inner child is just so happy doing this and watching this. I would have loved this when I was a little kid.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me.
Now I'm just vacuuming the area really quickly. I have the kids waiting inside for the reveal of everything I've done. If you notice at the ends of the foam tile, they're kind of poking out. I couldn't figure it out and it just upset me, so I just left it like that. The kids don't care anyway. It's fine. I do have another box of them and I was going to take the foam tiles all the way down, but I think this little area is good enough for them. I took these clips really quickly before they came in and started playing, but it did look way different at the end in my opinion. I moved some things around, like those mirrors that were there, the baskets I put on top of the shelf, and you guys will see that at the end of the video. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an after before we move to the other side of the garage. Now I'm just dusting off this shelf. This used to be the linen tower in my old bathroom at the old house and I really didn't want to get rid of it. So to reuse it, I'm just going to add some more cleaning supplies on it because the other tower or shelf is getting a little cluttered. Right now it looks crazy because the kids have been messing with it, but I'm just going to separate it so it just opens up the space. So like I mentioned in my last cleaning video, I wanted to get my cleaning supplies out of the laundry room. I still do have some cleaning products in the laundry room on the shelf, but I wanted to put my mop and my steam mop and just my vacuums and stuff along this wall to open up space in the laundry room because it is really small.
That I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The
Lastly is this side of the garage, which I rarely even touch this stuff. It's like tools and just random things that a garage needs, I guess. So I'm just organizing them a little bit better, taking the plastic off because I literally have not touched this in a year since we moved. And there's no point in going through everything because it's in baskets anyways. I know what's in there, so it's fine. That big box behind me is my Christmas tree and a few other things like my car vacuum and some things that I haven't opened that I don't need. There's a box of overflowing Christmas decor that I never actually put away. I had to go to Home Depot and get 2 more big storage bins to put that away. And then also the gray bins are going out to recycling. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video.